to today's video. I burned my face because long story. So if my face looks a little different, that's why. It's still puffy, it's still swollen, and yeah. So anyways, today we are unboxing our July Slayglam box. It actually arrived pretty early, I feel like. It actually arrived, was it yesterday, the 17th. So it may be a little bit, I still gotta edit this video and everything. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little bit later when you see it, but kudos to you, Slayglam, for shipping out so early. I appreciate that. So anyways, before we get into today's video, welcome to the channel. My name's Rhonda, and over here it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, unbox. I just did a Temu unboxing. It was pretty freaking amazing. There is a giveaway. I don't know if that video is up yet, so just be paying attention. Might as well subscribe to the channel. I lost track of what I was talking about. Thank you to my YouTube members. That's where I think I was going. But thank you to my YouTube members for absolutely everything, helping to support the channel when you don't have to. And thank you to those of you that are clicking that thanks button. Sorry, my kids are driving around and I am Life 360ing them to make sure they are good as gold. If you have picked up my collab with OFRA Cosmetics, just a big thank you to those of you that have. That's my Unconditional palette. Makes me so happy. Code HOTMESS will save you 20%. Sorry I'm scratching my face, you guys. I literally caused like an allergic reaction as well. Yeah, and here is the inseparable duo. Code HOTMESS will save you that 20%. And my ring, she's from Temu. You guys have been asking about their moissanite rings, so I picked this one up. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so this is the July Slayglam box. It is, I think, $25, but with coupon code HOTMESS, not an affiliate, you will get it for like $21.50. It is a very makeup heavy kind of box, or bag, just depends. And as we know, they've done amazing collabs like with my girl Anne, aka Just Anne. And on top of that, like I was telling you guys, it's very makeup heavy. So you're not gonna get a ton of skincare in here. And wow, would you look at that? They package it very well. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Ipsy. Not gonna let it go. Not gonna let it go. No, I'm not. Oh my gosh, this is packaged so flipping good. See, that's what I'm talking about. Indie boxes, subscription boxes are putting the effort in. First and foremost, we've got the Manna Kadar 4-piece brush set. So that's really nice to have. I feel like, honestly, my brush collection grew huge because of subscription boxes. Oh my gosh. Next in here, we've got what looks like a duo type of very metallic-y powder. I don't know who it's from. There's not a card in here for me to read off of, but that's insane. It literally looks like a mirror. Is that not gorgeous? Hold on, let's open it up. So it is a loose pigment. I need to be very careful. I gotta swatch this. Okay, so very true. That is gorgeous. So let's swatch. Ooh, and you know I love it because it's green. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that shift. It's smooth. Smooth like butter, like undercover. I don't know who it's from. There's no sticker or label or anything, but what you're seeing is what you're getting. That was really weird, Rhonda. Okay. Next in here, we've got the Drippin' Diamonds Beauty Duo Chrome Lip Gloss. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so right away, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. I like the component. It's kind of tacky, but like, I'm so down. I'm so down. I don't really smell anything. Okay, actually, I kind of like it. Hold on, oh, no way. Okay, I did not see that coming. That's actually like a really pretty, like, peachy color. Did you guys see? But it shifts, so it's like peachy, pinky. That's pretty. Okay, And then next in here, we've got 3. It's by Sachet. Okay, so. Ooh, it's liquid liners. Oh, I don't have. Oh, I'm going to do it. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm a little shocked. This seems nice. You know, maybe one day I'll just go outside my cozy zone and actually do something with these bright liners. I haven't even shook or shaked them or, wow, grammar. Wow. Okay, I'm pretty impressed. All right, Slay. Look at those liners. Okay, so all 3, not dry, swatched great. We like that. Okay, and we know how to package. All right, last in here, we've got the Beach Please Breast Pigment Palette. Oh, this is by Rakuten. Oh, this is a collab. All right, this is pretty. Look at that. All right, so it's Rakuten Cosmetics times Michelle Martin. Not very familiar, but I would have to assume. Doesn't say. I would assume maybe she's on YouTube or Instagram. It doesn't have any doohickey on here, but it's a nice like cardboard packaging. I love the color. Ooh, this is fun. And look at that, they're all together. Not one is broken. Not gonna stop whining about it. Okay, so you get a nice little mirror in here. I wonder if this is sold individually. Like, can you pick it up, you know? Or, I mean, I don't know, but these colors, let's... Okay, listen, I already know I like the Rakuten Cosmetics formula because Anne has done 2 pilots with Rakuten, and everything was beautiful. Oh my gosh. That skinny dip shade, oh, that is beautiful. I really like that. I really like that. So there's some swatches right there. I honestly, it's bright, it's colorful, but it's so fun. And then paired with these, and I mean, and honestly, you could literally do some of these colors and add this duo shift in there, or ooh, add that lime green and then a pop of this lime green and yellow together. Okay, colorful palette that's got my brain and brainin'. We like that. Okay, so daiquiri. God, this is so pretty. I love this lime green. I don't know what my deal is with lime greens, but like, how fun is that? Is that not happy colors? I feel like, what was that art guy with the poofy hair? I used to watch him as a kid. He's like, happy trees, happy clouds. Y'all know who I'm talking about? So there's the next bit of swatches, and then we've got 4 more shades. So this is definitely a mix of mattes, shimmers, and as it said, pressed pigments. You know, here's another thing that ooh, that's a shifty shade. We like a shifty shade. That is so pretty. I really like this. I really like this a lot. Let's just do it here. I made the purple a little chunky. Sorry, guys. That's on me. I kind of went ham sandwich. So everything swatches beautifully, and I feel like this is such a perfect summer palette. And honestly, I almost feel like it's very Coachella. You know, like I feel like it could be a perfect summer Coachella type of palette. Oh my gosh. What was that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so the liners, they don't want to come off. You about to take my fake tan off. All right. So my first impression thoughts just off swatches, and I know swatches don't tell the full story. I think this is really pretty. I love the layout. My brain, it's like cohesive to me. I love that your pinks are together, your blues are together. I feel like you could totally pull those colors together. Coconut rum, is that a shifty? No, it looks like it's more of just a white with like a little, well, maybe it is. Maybe it has a hint of green in there, but then you've got this, that I think everything was laid out perfectly, especially for someone who gets very overwhelmed with colorful palettes, I need a layout like this. I need a layout that makes sense to my brain, and this is good. So Michelle, is it Michelle? Mitchell? Is it Mitchell? M-I-C-H-E-L-L. I'm gonna say, I don't know. I'm gonna say Michelle Martin, Mitchell Martin. Well, either way, what's on here? Same thing, Mitchell. Maybe, I'm so sorry. I thought it was Michelle this whole time. Mitchell. I love what you've done. This is great. This is beautiful. This is very pretty. So I'll definitely come back and play around with the colors, because I mean, honestly, even my neutral loving brain, this tan lines color is going to be able to take you everywhere. You know, like you could just lay down this tan line color and then pop a little skinny dip in there, or just a little bit of Jamaica Me Happy. Like, same with the daiquiri. You could lay down the daiquiri and add a little bit of this. So there's definitely neutral looks that can be had with that. So anyways, and I love the colors. I'm a summer baby, so you know, that's how I roll. But I like this. I think it's really pretty. And I like, you know what else? You see how it's like sparkly writing? I like a that. So that is everything in this month's July Slayglam box. I think it was actually put together very well. I really like that the pencils complement the palette. I like that the lipstick also as well complements the palette. And I mean, this is a little like, whoa, but you could even put that tan line shade and then pop this on here. So I think it was actually curated very well. It wasn't like a thrown together kind of thing. And then of course you've got the brushes. So good job, Slayglam box. Good job on your packaging, because you know your girl's been like hard up on Ipsy for lack thereof packaging. So I think you did really good. And I'm so sorry if Mitchell, for calling you Michelle. My apologies. My brain just brains ever so slightly. So anyways, thank you to Slayglam box for sending this box over my way. If you guys are interested in picking up Slayglam, I will have a link down below with my coupon code. Again, my coupon, rewind. My coupon code is not an affiliate code. It just lets Slay know that I sent you over their way. If you do want to pick up my collection, oopsie daisy, if you do want to pick up my collection with OFRA Cosmetics, I will have that linked and listed for y'all down below. And thank you guys bunches if you made it to the end of today's rambly video. I mean, really, why? It's a hot mess. I do have to wonder, when people come by for the first time, if you're a first timer here and you just stopped by and thought you were getting like, oh, this is gonna be such a professional channel. Hot Mess Mama. What was your thought? Did you really think it was gonna be professional? Just curious. I'm just curious. I'm not dogging nobody. I'm not judging no one. I'm just thoroughly curious, because I was really trying hard when I made my channel name up to really make it make sense. And I felt like I did. So anyways, I am rambling. I'm gonna hop off because look what showed up. Expectations, well, anyways, and if you again want to pick up my Temu ring, just be watching for that video. I am so in love with that. This is actually on my vlog channel. I unbox it. So anyways, thank you once again to my YouTube members for helping to support the channel. Thank you to those of you that click that thanks button and tip the channel. Check me out on all of my channels: Hot Mess Mama Vlogs for Curvy Girl Fashion Hauls, Hot Mess in the Kitchen, and of course TikTok and Instagram at HotMessMomma04. And until next time, as always, kisses from Kentucky. Bye friends.